Hey there, homeowners. Today I'm sharing some essential maintenance tips to keep your R-32 3-ton air conditioner running smoothly. First, let's talk about air filters. Clean or replace them every 3 months. Dirty filters can restrict airflow, leading to higher energy bills and reduced cooling efficiency. Use high-quality HEPA or electrostatic filters. If they're reusable, wash them with mild soap and water, then let them dry before reinserting. Next, tackle those evaporator and condenser coils every 6 months. Dirt on these coils reduces heat exchange efficiency. Use a coil cleaner spray and rinse with low-pressure water. And remember, no ice buildup on the evaporator coils. If you see ice, it might be a refrigerant issue. Once a year, it's crucial to check your refrigerant levels and pressure. Low levels can harm your cooling performance and even wreck your compressor. But leave this to the pros. Only EPA-certified technicians should handle R-32 refrigerant. Don't forget the condensate drain line. Clean it out every 3-6 months. A clogged line can lead to water leaks and mold. Flush it with a vinegar water solution, and if it's persistently clogged, use a wet-dry vacuum to clear it out. Now, inspect those electrical components and connections annually. Loose or corroded connections can cause malfunctions. Check capacitors, relays, and wiring for damage. Make sure your thermostat is properly calibrated too. For seasonal maintenance, here's what to do. In the spring and summer, before the hot weather hits, check refrigerant pressure, inspect outdoor unit fins, and ensure your thermostat is programmed for energy savings. In the fall and winter, cover your outdoor condenser unit, turn off the power to prevent accidental operation, and inspect ductwork for leaks. Even with proper care, issues might pop up. Here's how to troubleshoot common problems. If your AC isn't cooling properly, check the thermostat settings. Replace the batteries, clean the air filters, and ensure refrigerant levels are correct. If you hear unusual noises, buzzing might indicate electrical problems. Rattling could mean loose components, and hissing might signal a refrigerant leak. Call a professional for that last one. Water leaks from the indoor unit? Check for a clogged condensate drain line. Inspect evaporator coils for ice buildup and make sure the unit is level. Remember, some issues need a pro's touch. Refrigerant leaks, electrical problems, compressor failures, or frequent cycling on and off should be handled by licensed HVAC technicians. Following these tips will keep your R-32 AC in tip-top shape, ensuring maximum efficiency, lower energy bills, and a comfy home. Thanks for watching. Happy cooling.